Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the screen timeout in laptop and PC in Windows 11. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to setting. And at the left hand side, we will go to system, the second option. And then we need to go to this fifth option, which says power and battery. We will click on that. And here you will find energy saver, screen and sleep, hibernate, and timeout right here. So the third option is there. I'll just click on that. And when you plug in turn my screen off, you can do that never, or you can set the time according to your convenience when the charger is plugged in. And on battery, when you want your screen to be turned off, you can change from here to never or whatever you would like to. So once you're done, you're good to go. Please hit like and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful, and share. Have a wonderful day. Take care.